Cardano might see a 3.5% downturn by April 15, according to Gov Capital Collector. Before diving deeper, let's scan today's price flow. Cardano is now up 2.9% since yesterday and trades just under $0.2451. Time to explore what analysts foresee. The forecast from Traders Union points to and 25 cents by April 15th, a projected gain of about 2%. Cardano could trend upward to $0.2479, according to 30 rates, about 1.1% above now. CoinDataFlow notes it may drop towards $0.243, an estimated fall of 0.8%. Another estimate from Gov Capital Collector shows Cardano may retreat towards $0.2366, a drop close to 3.5%. And last but not least, CoinLore believes the price may slide to $0.2341 by tomorrow, down by 4.5%. This is the top earning forecast we've seen. The 5 forecasts are in. Let's go beyond that. Let's move forward from the outlooks to the quantitative part. The predictions indicate movement in the range from a drop of 4.5% to a gain of 2%. As a result, CoinLore is expected to post the highest return with 4.5% growth in value by April 15. In short, you could earn between $8 and $45 for every $1,000 you invest. In terms of odds, CoinDataFlow ranks highest with a 89.9% chance of success. Looking at the full set of forecasts, I've formed a consensus picture. Based on the consensus outlook, Cardano might decrease by approximately 1.1%. Now, let's get into the numbers. Consensus projections show the price down by about 1.1%. And by that same proportion, your capital would also reflect an increase. On a 1,000 position, that could potentially translate into about $11 in profit. And according to the combined outlook, this consensus view for Cardano comes with an 88.4% probability. Let's pause here and check the 3-day forecast from analysts. The short-term picture, noted by Traders Union, shows stability. Meanwhile, 30 rates anticipates the market staying quiet. CoinDataFlow points to the price breaking higher in the short term. Gov Capital Collector anticipates Cardano falling. A bearish forecast is meanwhile made by CoinLore, expecting losses. All forecasts together show Cardano on a bullish short-term path. Altogether, 60% of analysts share a bearish short-term stance on Cardano. 2 days ago, 5 predictions came out. Let's check how they lined up with yesterday's move. By the end of trading, the price was $0.2487. The majority of analysts had their forecasts pointing the right way. If the focus is accuracy, Traders Union was ahead of the rest. Let's organize the outcomes for a clearer picture. All forecasts ended up within the daily session span. And about ROI, the whole group was in profit, with Traders Union showing the top performance. Here's the results overview. A compact comparison of every forecast. Meanwhile, 30 rates had a pre-estimated probability of 85.3% in accuracy and 1.8% ROI. Look and see who stayed closest to the real price movement. Let's see how tomorrow's predicted profitability looks when compared with a few other assets. Cardano currently leads all compared assets with a projected return of 1.1%. For now, we're comparing Cardano with 4 random cryptocurrencies. The full comparison across a larger group, including detailed analyst results, will be added later to my website and Telegram. If timing matters to you, make sure you're subscribed. See you tomorrow.